Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 18 June 2020. I am Sujit Kumar Misra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze the current affairs of 18 June. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So proceed towards today's session. As per you know, recently our 20 soldier martyrs in India-China border of Eastern Ladakh in Galwan Valley region. A huge salute and the deepest condolence to them, the soldier who sacrificed their life. Our previous day questions. First question was, flood warning system iFlows launched in which city? Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Mumbai. In Mumbai, iFlows flood warning system is launched. Okay. Second question was, Shambhu S. Kumaran appointed India's next ambassador to Kuwait, Finland, Philippines, Denmark. The correct answer here is Philippines. The correct answer here is Philippines. Option C is correct here. Okay. Kuwait is in news. CB George recently appointed as India's next ambassador to Kuwait, and Ravish Kumar is the next ambassador to Finland. They already appointed. Okay, and recently Shambhu S. Kumaran appointed as our India's next ambassador to Philippines. Philippines is here. The capital of Philippines is Manila. Capital is Manila. Currency is Philippines peso, and president is Rodrigo Duterte. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. World Day of Desertification and Drought is observed on 17 June, 16 June, 15 June, 14 June. The correct answer here is option A, 17 June. On 17 June, World Day of Desertification and Drought is observed. The theme of 2020 is food, feed, fiber, the link between consumption and land. Food, feed, fiber, the link between consumption and land is the theme of 2020. Next question. Which country's prime minister recently resigned from his post? Australia, Kazakhstan, Italy, France. The correct answer here is option B, Kazakhstan. Okay, recently Kazakhstan prime minister resigned from his post. He resigned due to citing an ongoing criminal investigation. Okay, the capital of the Kazakhstan is Bishkek, and the currency is Kazakhstani som. Kazakhstani som is the currency. Okay, next question. Which state becomes top to provide employment under Manrega? Bihar, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. The correct answer here is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is correct here. Okay, Uttar Pradesh is the first state become to provide employment very much under Manrega. Okay, and the abbreviation of the Manrega, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Uttar Pradesh is in news. Capital is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath, and Governor is Anandiben Patel. Next question. In which country has India pledged to construct a 2.33 crore sanitation facility at the iconic Pashupatinath temple? Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Nepal. Recently, our Indian government decided to construct 2.33 crore sanitation facility in iconic Pashupatinath temple. Okay, the project would be constructed under Nepal Bharat Maitri. Okay, the capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Currency is Nepalese rupee. President of the Nepal is Vidya Devi Bhandari. Vidya Devi Bhandari is the president of Nepal, and prime minister is KP Sharma Oli. KP Sharma Oli is the prime minister of Nepal. Next question. Who has announced the appointment of Vinit Teredesai as its new CFO? Chief Financing Officer. IBM, Wipro, Mindtree, TCS. The correct answer here is Mindtree. The correct extra answer here is option C, Mindtree. Mindtree has announced the appointment of Vinit Teredesai as its new Chief Financing Officer. He has earlier served as the CFO and CIO of the KPIT Technology. Okay, next question. Which organization approved an additional $750 million loan to strengthen India's COVID-19 response? AIIB, ADB, World Bank, IMF. The correct answer here is option A, AIIB. Okay. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Okay, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank has approved an additional $750 million loan to strengthen India's COVID-19 response. Okay, the headquarters of the AIIB is in Beijing, China. It is founded in 16 January 2016. Okay, established in. Next question. Dinu Ranadive passed away. He was related to which field? Sports, journalism, medicine, cricket. The correct answer here is option B, journalism. Okay, journalist and freedom fighter Dinu Ranadive passed away. Ranadive started his career as the founder editor of Sanjukta Maharashtra Patrika in 1950. In 1950, Sanjukta Maharashtra Patrika founder is Ranadive. Okay, and he recently passed away, so his name is very much important in obituary's point of view. Okay, next question. Lieutenant General Rajmohan Bhogra died due to COVID-19. In which year he receives Mahavir Chakra? 1970, 1972, 1975, 1980. The correct answer here is option B, 1972. On 1972, Lieutenant General Rajmohan Bhogra got Mahavir Chakra. Okay, Mahavir Chakra is the country's second highest gallantry award. It is the award for acts of conspicuous gallantry in the presence of the enemy, whether on the land, at the sea, or in the air. Okay, next question. In which city Composite Regional Center is inaugurated? Mumbai, Ranchi, Delhi, Chennai. The correct answer here is option B. Recently in Ranchi, Composite Regional Center is inaugurated. The Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Thawarchand Gehlot inaugurated the CRC, Composite Regional Center. Okay. CRC will provide rehabilitation service including physical medicine, physiotherapy, audiology and speech therapy and various other facilities also. Okay, inaugurated in Ranchi. Next question. Last question of the today's session. The researchers of which of the following institute have developed an artificial intelligence powered COVID-19 test? IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Kharagpur. The correct answer here is IIT Hyderabad. Option C is correct here. Okay, IIT Hyderabad researchers recently developed the artificial intelligence powered COVID-19 testing. Okay, it can perform an affordable cost and it produce result is only in 20 minutes. In 20 minutes the test kit give the result. Okay, our question of the day, you have to answer it in the comment box and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Please try to give answering. Okay, thereby a link between educational wing and you will be established is very strong. Okay, the first question is, which bank introduced Insta Flexi case for salary account customers? Okay, second question is, folk singer, this is our second question. Okay, folk singer Hira Singh Rana passed away. He belongs to which state? Uttarakhand, Bihar, Odisha, none of these. Okay, please try to answer it in the comment section and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Okay, thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Okay, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can got the notification very fast. Okay, thank you.